to get or remove subtitles on Netflix. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can get or remove subtitles on Netflix. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. Here start playing a movie or TV show you want. Now while the content is playing, hover your cursor or tap on the screen to bring up these playback controls. Now once you do so, below you will find 3 different options. Hover your cursor to this message like icon and there you will find subtitles option, which is currently set to English. To get removed, you just have to click on this off button right here and then you will stop getting subtitles. In this way you can remove the subtitles on Netflix. Now if you want to get subtitles, again click on the same icon right below and from the options here you can either select this English or other languages you would like to explore. The selected subtitle language will now be displayed on the screen. As you can see, the subtitle has been changed to the language I have said. So that's it. You can now easily get or remove subtitles while watching content on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.